Hello YouTube fan, this is Aswin. We have a micro RZ airplane which is here. Like you saw here, they have very old one. I got it from the store, small store. They're selling $1 of toy or something like that. Original price is 1,000 NT, Taiwan dollar, but I get bargain to 200 NT. Actually the LiPo inside is broken because stay too long, so I use the helicopter LiPo battery 180 milliamp. This here using the 1.5 the small battery, but 6 of it. And here original battery was 130 milliamp, but I changed to become 180 milliamp. I got the small, and we got two prop. The name is Tracer 2003, something like that toy. And now we are 2014. Let's try and fly this thing. Let's. Okay, we got. You ready? Okay. Recording. You have to see the plane. Huh?